In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA, in n8n. Two-factor authentication is an essential security feature that adds an extra layer of protection to your account. By enabling 2FA, you ensure that only you have access to your account, even if someone else manages to get hold of your password. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of setting up 2FA. First, you need to log into your n8n account. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, look towards the top of the screen. Here, you will notice a gear icon, sometimes referred to as the settings icon. This is your gateway to personalizing and securing your account, so go ahead and click on it. After clicking the gear icon, you'll be presented with a drop-down or sidebar menu, depending on the version you're working with, that contains several options. From this menu, the next step you want to take is to click on Personal. This section houses all your personal settings, including security features that you can customize to your preferences. Now that you're in the personal settings, you need to scroll down. While scrolling, you will see various options related to your profile, preferences, and security. Continue scrolling until you find the section dedicated to two-factor authentication. It might be labeled simply as 2FA. When you reach this section, you should see the option to enable 2FA. This is usually represented by a toggle switch or button. By enabling this feature, you're adding a crucial security checkpoint. Go ahead and click to enable it. You might be prompted to use an authenticator app such as Google Authenticator or Authy to complete the process. If you haven't done so already, download one of these apps from your device's app store. Once you've installed your preferred authenticator app, open it and scan the QR code presented by n8n. This code links your n8n account to the app, allowing it to generate a unique code every time you log in. After scanning, the app will display a 6-digit code. Input this code in n8n to verify your setup. That's it. You've now successfully enabled 2FA on your n8n account. From this point forward, each time you log in, you'll be asked to provide a code from your authenticator app along with your regular password. This added layer of security significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access, giving you peace of mind that your data is safe. As a tip, ensure you back up your authenticator app or take notes of your recovery options, just in case you switch devices or lose access to your current one. And remember, enabling 2FA is a great practice, not just on n8n, but for all your online accounts. Thank you for watching and stay secure.